This is Pat Walker, Mission Winners. I'm making training coaching video for everybody here. We're taking a look at Shopify. A lot of people make the mistake of constantly looking at charts after the fact. What happens is a perceptual bias can enter into our thought processes and say, well, this is easy. Sure, we can do this. This is easy. It's better to take the chart and slide it back before the fact and really challenge yourself, your thoughts, your thought processes, what you're thinking of as it does it. Here we go. As a stock does something. We're looking at Shopify, going sideways here, and it's clean and simple tops. All right, nothing fancy. Say if it takes out those tops, that would be great. Advance at 1 bar. It's a quiet inside bar on less volume. The pattern is still intact. And then it pushes through that top on extremely heavy volume. That's confirmation to buy up here, right in here. Not here, here. Point number 1, don't chase price. Buy it at the right spot. Don't buy it here, you buy here. You could add to it, but you buy here. All right? That's very, very important. Clean and simple base entry, volume surge, buy. And it goes up. But note this, it gaps down, runs up, and it actually closes down below the previous day's close on fairly heavy volume, less than it went up on. Now, is that a foundation? Oh, I got to sell it all? No, but it's just something to be aware of. Advance it a day. It gaps down and it closes up on the day. But what do you note? And I'm going to make this bigger for you. What do you note here? It went up on heavy volume. It fell on fairly heavy volume. And then it rallied again, but on even less volume. Okay? The up volume here was less than the down volume here. Something to be concerned about. Does that mean you sell it all? No, but it means you've got to be aware. Advance it. And then it drops, but it's still below this low here. But it's not showing a lot of power. What do you do on a fast move like this? I mean, folks, this is a gift. You can sell some into strength on something like this. All right? It's that simple. Sell 20%, sell 25%. Your guarantee of profit can come all the way back down to your price and you are still going to make money. Don't sell it all because it could continue going. But by selling some, you're guaranteed yourself a profit. You're minimizing emotional stress, which leads to clear decision making. And that helps us too. Advance it. Okay, it goes up on a slight pickup in volume. Not a lot of power here. We're not going to buy it. We're in from lower. If we sold some, we're fine. Okay, we're fine. It gaps up, it runs up, and closes near the lows of the day. People say, oh, it's a green bar on heavy volume. At Mission Winners, we always look at the open, high, low, close. What does that tell you? You better sell some. There's not a lot of power in this. Sell some more. Folks, you got a gift, okay? Don't sell it all, but sell some. And then it does this on fairly heavy volume, and it's coming down close to your buy price. Cardinal foundation, never let a good profit turn into a loss. Don't do that to yourself. It gapped up and then it falls. It takes out the lows of this bar. It takes out the lows of this bar, and this bar. It takes out the lows from this entire consolidation here on above average volume. And you could say, but it was less than this bar. I go back to it. On this bar, it gapped up, runs up, and reverses down and closes near the lows on a pickup in volume. They're selling on this bar, folks. They're not buying. And then they followed through and sold more here. Advance at a bar. Now, you're down, and it actually falls below your buy price. So now what's happened? You've let almost a 200-point profit turn into a loss. How's that? How does that sound to you? I mean, that's kind of frustrating, isn't it? You bought it here, it runs up. You can say, well, it'll be fine, I'll be okay. Oh, look, it lifts. Oh, everything's fine. Oh, it reverses down. I don't know. Oh, it's a little bit below my price. And now look. That's why, folks, a good profit turns into a disaster.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.